There's already a scratch. There's a few of them. Oh, you know what? Silly me. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we have yet another Android TV box, being that of the T10 Pro. This TV box was indeed sent for me from the good folks from GearBest.com. They have some fantastic gadgets and tech, and when you go over to their website and make a purchase, you'll get returned points which you can go ahead and use on future purchases. So looking outside of the box of the T10 Pro, everything is kept simple and minimalistic, all except for the T10 Pro Gold logo to the top. At the bottom there are a few listed features such as the 4K Ultra HD, 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM. Looking inside the box, as expected we've got the TV box which we'll go ahead and look at shortly. But first, let's lift this carded surround out, and underneath we have one HDMI cable, one... I'm guessing it's an EU plug, so no, it's not a UK version, but I do know that UK and other versions are available if need be. There is one standard but nice looking remote control, which indeed does take two AAA batteries. There is one pretty basic but clear user manual setup guide. And now back to the TV box. Let's go ahead and take it out of the soft sleeve. Ooh. And yes, this T10 TV box is very glossy. There is a... Hang on, is that a scratch? There's already a scratch. There's a few of them. Oh, you know what? Silly me. It's a protected top film. Oh my days. Yeah, let's just take that off. That's better. Ooh. Oh yeah. Shiny, shiny. Nice. So yeah, to the top we have the T10 Pro logo. To the front we have some sort of, well, I can imagine a digital display. To the right we have a TF memory card slot, expandable up to an added 32GB. There is one USB 2.0 and one USB 3.0. That's good to see. Moving over to the rear, there is an AV power port, an SPDIF port, an RJ45 Ethernet port, one HDMI 2.0 port, and a DC power port. There is also good ventilation all the way around the rim just here. Lots and lots of ventilation to the bottom, and you do have a great 4mm clearance when this TV box is on a flat surface, with help from those 4 rubber feet. So right out of the box, it's running Android 8.1. It has an Amlogic S905X2 CPU, a quad-core ARM Cortex A53 with 2.0 GHz, and a Mali 450 GPU. On the first initial menu, everything has a clean layout. You can actually see that you do get Mobdro built in, which is good for films with all the Sky channels included, and sports channels too. You do also have, as you can see just here, Netflix, which as you can see plays perfect. Oh, and it also has Showbox too, which is already set up and ready to go with the latest films and TV shows. You do also have the standard YouTube built in, which again has no problem playing 4K content. It hardly has no buffering problems whatsoever, and entering my apps, you can see that there is a vast amount of built-in media. For example, you have got Amazon Prime Video. Oh, and yeah, we have got a fully packed coder with no setup required. It's actually fantastic to see. So no having to install any type of codey add-ons. Now you can actually go ahead and purchase one of these mini keyboards, which will work perfectly fine with this TV box. You just simply insert the mini USB provided, plug it in and type away. It also comes with a touchpad too. I'll leave a link for this in the video description down below. But because we're going to download a few games, I'm going to hook up a normal keyboard today. So you can actually hook up a wireless Bluetooth keyboard if need be, just like this combo set just here. And I will add that a wired keyboard also works perfectly fine with this TV box. Let me just hook it up, as well as this mouse too, making sure we have good use of both USB ports. Let's go ahead and select Google Chrome. And let's see how fast the typing is. So here we go, let's search out Gogetyours. Yeah, the enter button doesn't work, so, would you have to select that manually? Okay. Actually, yeah, really is super smooth. I'm kind of surprised. I mean, even with multiple tabs open just now, it's not hesitating whatsoever. I mean, look at that. Smooth. Just press back. Do I want £100 of free coupons? I'm already signed up, so yeah. But usually on a normal PC, you press the right button and you click it and it'll come up with a little menu that pops up. This isn't a PC. Obviously, this is basically the same Android which you get on your phone. You know what? I've tested TV boxes out in the past and you have a bit of a lag, you know, when the pictures come up. Compared to other TV boxes, it's actually pretty good. So is that too. That's a car. I'll buy that today, I think. So as we now got the keyboard and the mouse now set up with this TV box, let me just see what games we can actually get. PUBG? Can we have it? Oh, hang on a minute. Install. Is this going to work? See, every time I try to download this PUBG, it doesn't work on the other TV boxes. How are we going to control this? I just don't know. Let's just see though. Ooh! Can we choose high? Graphics have been set to medium based on the device. Okay. Yeah, man, he's running around in his
Scroungy pants.
He got his skiddies on. So yeah, we'd actually go for medium settings, and you will need a compatible Android controller because, like I mentioned before, this TV box is basically got the same Android as what's in your phone. So these games, you know, are meant for a touchscreen. Well, it does work. Just need the compatible Android connected controller. Well, yeah, as you can tell, this TV box is working perfectly fine. I mean, to be honest, it's one of the best ones I've actually tested so far. Let me just see how quick our video plays on Showbox. Obviously for copyright purposes, I won't be able to show the video. Let's see how quick the video plays. Let's use this. Let's see how fast this plays now. Okay, we can't actually let that play because of copyright. Let me just show you guys the quality of the 4K. So depending on the quality of your internet at home, will determine how clear and smooth your video playback will be. Yeah, this seems to be running perfectly fine. And what do I think about this TV box just now? Well, I personally think that this Android TV box, like I mentioned, is the best TV box I've actually reviewed so far. Okay, the Android games are a bit questionable, but then you can actually mirrorcast your games to the actual TV box itself and play through the TV. But that's not what I'm going to be using this TV box for. If I'm going to be buying a TV box just like this one here, I want to have the confidence that that 4K resolution isn't going to stop and buffer halfway through an important program or a film. I mean, for that price of £53, that's 69 in US dollars, you really can't go wrong. For how light this TV box was, I was really shocked at how good a quality TV box it actually was. Using it over the past week, I've been watching films, TV shows. I've actually gone past my initial 3 days reviewing this product, and I do actually rate this product today 10 out of 10.
Wow.
Now if you're going to go ahead and buy this product today, well, go get yours in the video description down below. And while you're there, guess what? Go buy yourself some of these keyboards. These will actually come in handy with any type of TV box. It comes with a touchpad just here, and yeah, it will just help you along the way while internet searching. So yeah guys, go ahead and share this video wherever possible. Smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe. And after that, hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all my new uploads. I'll see you guys over on my next video coming real soon. And well, thanks for watching. Peace!